how are you? I am good. I am me. It's like, no, okay. Did I say I wasn't playing this year? Because if not, we back to back. We back to back to back to back. I'm bringing you guys a new makeup video. I really enjoyed doing the updated routine, and I was like, yeah, I gotta bring this back. And I recently went to a beauty event, and it just was like, reminded me of how much I love being in the beauty space. And I think that was the first beauty event I was invited to, and I was invited as a +1 thanks to my friend Latoya. Shout out to you, girl. And it's just one thing to kind of have friends that you can chat with about makeup and things like that, and who are in the industry or just are beauty enthusiasts, but to also be around other creators or industry professionals, I think is a whole nother playing field. The conversations are just like exuberant. They're just such a vibe and so amazing and so insightful. I learned so much, and I'm somebody who just loves to learn. I enjoy walking away with something that I didn't know. Now I know. So I think that was one of the most exciting parts for me. So it was just really amazing, and so I am like gassed up. I'm super excited, and I'm really excited because I didn't realize that I had a LaLa Beauty makeup item. I've only used this and tapped into this a few times, and with all things scandal going on, I figured why not, you know, give you guys a tutorial with this palette. Are you guys ready? I don't know the look that I want to do, so I'm just going to kind of like just go with it, and if it's ugly, we'll pivot. All right guys, so we're going to transition this from me talking to you to it being a voiceover. Let's get into it. Skincare is already applied, so we're going to go ahead in and conceal my eyelids. So I'm going in with my Juvias Place concealer, and I don't even know what shade I'm using, but all products will be listed below. I went in with my LA Girl like orange concealer to color correct, but I mixed it with my peach elf hydro camo concealer to go underneath my under eyes and just like areas where I kind of experience more like hyperpigmentation, just so we can have a very like balanced and full coverage look. Going in now with my Danessa Myricks Balm Contour. I've been using this product for the last 3 years, honestly, since it's launched, and I love it. It's very versatile. I use it for my eyelids, contour, like you name it. I love prepping my lid with it as a transition shade. Going in with Boss Lady and Bridal Party in my crease, and I'm just going to pack that in, and then we're just going to do circular motions in the crease. We're going to start at the outer corner, and then we're just going to kind of move it in. I'm actually going to stop, and I'm not going to use this. I don't know, you know, it could be a plethora of things, but I'm just not liking how the colors are applying right now. So I'm going to pivot, and I think I'm going to have some fun with my Patrick Ta Major Dimensions 2 palette. I almost instantly saw a difference in the payoff as soon as I applied this product and went in using the same method, circular motion, starting at the outer corner, bringing it in, and I'm sweeping it out, which it's going to kind of give this like blown out effect, but we're not going to see that for the completed look. I think I mentioned in a different video how I like to dibble and dabble and mix stop start within my personal like makeup routine. So this is where I'm going to stop on the shadow, and then now we're going to get into the face. I'm going to kind of clean this up, and then we're going to get into it. Alright, so those who have been following with me since TikTok, Instagram, and years ago, you guys know I'm no stranger to underpainting, and so that is the technique that I'll be using today. So I'm going to go in with my Juvias Place in the shade 13 concealer, and I go pretty below my under eye. And I'm just going to let that sit, and then we're going to go in with my, look at this, Danessa Myricks Balm Contour. The moment she put this product out, y'all, I've been obsessed. And I'm gonna blend this out while the concealer is sitting. I'm literally cracking up, guys, because I said this was going to be a voiceover and we're going back and forth. But I am going in with my Juvia's Place concealer as well as my Born This Way concealer, which is new to me but not new to the market, and I'm really liking it. It is a more like full coverage concealer, and this product does not have to like wait to be like wait to get thick, I'd say. So I don't let that sit too long. Alright, so now I've really been liking the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and I always put it in the same place, like every time. Like I don't use this product all over. I kind of use it on like high cheekbones, and really just kind of use it to kind of just bring some extra illumination. I don't even know if that's a word, guys, but to my skin. And y'all ever like use all your beauty sponges, so like you're left with a sponge that you don't typically use, because this is that sponge for me. It has like a bigger bottom, which I typically don't go for, but it was one of those sponges that kind of came in a package, so I kept it, and I'm not mad at it, but just different than what I'm accustomed to. Now I'm just going to contour my nose. I do it the same way, and my behind, guys, like put it on the brush like weird, so yeah. A quick tip that I learned early on is like with every process, if you are a sponge girly, you're going to want to make sure that you are using your sponge after everything. And so, you know, you conceal, you contour, sponge, you apply brush, sponge, blush, sponge, and it just helps everything to marry and melt together. And for this video, I think I mentioned this in the beginning that I was doing the whole like underpainting technique, and so that's why you see me kind of just starting at the bottom, and then any excess foundation on my brush, I'm just taking and kind of putting that over. I'm not doing 2 pumps, we're sticking with the 1 pump, and then we're just marrying everything together to make it really seamless and essentially like less product than I would typically use for like a super like full glam look. I hopped on a call at this point, so I'm just going to tell you guys what I was doing. I took my One Size setting powder, tapped it on my hand from the beauty sponge, and then I went in and pressed it into my skin. And then I go over the areas that I've contoured with my Mario, like, I don't even know the name of that product, but I really like it. Going to fill in the lower lash line and underneath my lashes with the darker inner corner shade that we used earlier. And then I'm taking a lighter shade at the top inner corner of my eye. And then the name of this game, you guys know, is just blending. We're gonna make everything look nice and bright and very seamless. Taking like that middle pink shimmer, I'm just going in and kind of using it on the outer corner portion, not all over the lid. I recently bought this Danessa Myricks Yummy blush, and I really like the technology and the innovation with this. It's a cream blush, but it dries on like powder. And you guys, that was me realizing like, oh, a little bit goes a long way. And so I just had to let the sides match and, you know, blend it out. I'm just gonna go in from the bottom. And then I just wanna kind of sharpen this. Just literally add a few little hairs in the front. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go in. I told y'all I don't play about these minis. So the Tower 28, my sister put me on this, but she was like, girl, you need more clean beauty products. So that's what I got. Do you see how soaked I am? Like, do you see what the mist did? I probably should cover my eyes, but I didn't. Now from here, I'm loving this look. So from here, I'm going to add some mascara, and I'm using the Morphe, I don't know, I just like the packaging. Make It Big mascara. Go in this. My sister, again, y'all, like, my sister was my intro to getting right with the makeup products. So the House of Lashes lash glue, now sold at Target, and I know you hoes is on to it because every time I go it's gone, for like $8. So I go outer corner, inner corner, middle. I'm gonna put you guys onto some eyeliners that I've been liking. These are the ColourPop Cream Gel Liners. So I have them in 3 shades, black, brown, and this like nudie shade. Let me give y'all a quick swatchy. Alright, I'm just going to be going in with this brown shade from NYX. I feel like it's literally probably the equivalent to a Cork by MAC. Juvias place. The blush, they don't sell them anymore at Sephora, but love this. I would pop this on my lips like all day, and it just gave them like a brighter pink, like super cute. But I'm gonna go in with this shade. Make my lips look super dusty. But then this like liquid lipstick by Milani in the shade Lavish. This is gonna have your lips cracking. I'm gonna just tell you that now. I'm just gonna go. I look down. I aim for the middle first. Then I go into the outer corner. Tack it on. Take. All right, and what do we do, y'all? We're gonna do a final setting spray using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray Mist. Okay. I got carried away. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. This is the look. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and let's get to sharing. If you found this video useful or enjoyable, go ahead and share it to someone you think would feel the same way. I can't wait to hear from you guys and see you guys again. See ya.